to find old tweets on Twitter by date? It's quite easy and simple to find old tweets on Twitter by date. Just you have to make sure to watch the video till the end so that at the end of the video you will know how to find old tweets on Twitter by date. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. First of all, open the Twitter or the X application on your device. Do not forget to update your app so that you can enjoy the latest features on it. Once you open it and sign in on your account, just tap on the search icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. Once you come across this page, you have to select the search bar at the top of the screen and you have to write the username of which account you want to search the old tweets on Twitter by date. So let's add it here. Once you have added it, you simply need to add the date as well, from which date to which date you wanna source the tweets. So let's write in here semicolon. After that, you have to type in since, and I'll write your year. You can write the exact date as well if you remember it. And once you have done that, type in until, and until which date you wanna source the old tweets. Once you have done this, once you need to recheck it whether the information is written well or not. And once you do it and search, you will be able to see all your old tweets on Twitter by date. So that's it, guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then do like, share, and comment on this video. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe and press the notification bell so that you won't miss any updates from our channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.